Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make L-Stick Edit on Xbox. First, navigate to your game settings menu, usually found on the main screen. Look for the Controller Options or Keybinds section. This is where we'll remap your Edit button to the left stick. This simple change can significantly improve your editing speed and overall gameplay flow, giving you a competitive edge. It's a popular method among many skilled players for a good reason. Now, within your controller settings, find the action labeled Edit or Build Edit. Select this option and then press down on your left analog stick, which is often referred to as L3. This will bind the edit function to that button. If your sprint or crouch was previously on L3, you might need to move it to another easily accessible button, perhaps one of the D-pad directions or a paddle if you have an elite controller. Once your L-Stick Edit is set, consistent practice is key. Head into a creative map designed for editing practice. Start with simple edits, like a single wall or floor, and gradually increase the complexity. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice each day. This repetition will help build muscle memory, making your edits feel natural and incredibly fast during intense gameplay situations. Don't get discouraged. Improvement takes time and effort. To truly master L-Stick editing, try combining it with other actions. For example, practice editing while jumping or aiming down sights for more dynamic plays. Also, consider fine-tuning your controller dead zone. A setting between 5 and 10% often provides a good balance of responsiveness and stability. Experiment with your look and edit sensitivities as well. Finding your perfect settings can significantly enhance your editing speed and overall control, giving you a distinct advantage in comparative matches.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.